let's fix any iOS 16 bugs. Now, if you've upgraded your iPhone to iOS 16, you might have found a variety of different bugs. The home screen is glitchy, you can't find duplicates, the touch screen is not working as it used to, the battery drain, all of those different things. I'm going to help you walk through how to fix all of those bugs. The very first thing that we'll do is tap on Settings, and then we will tap on our name at the very top. And we're going to tap where it says iCloud. Now on here you can see midway down is iCloud Backup. We're going to tap on that. And we want to make sure where it says Backup Now, it says last successful backup was yesterday at 11 a.m. So I recommend just tapping Backup Now because we want to back up your entire phone to the iCloud to be able to fix the operating system, the iOS 16. So let's go back and go back and back again. And now I'm going to tap on General. And at the very bottom, you can see Transfer or Reset iPhone. I'm going to tap on that. And then I'm going to tap Erase all contents and settings after that backup is completely finished. So tap on that and it will basically say erase this phone. It will sign you out of your Apple ID. It will remove all of your apps, all of your data and everything. Basically, it'll turn your phone back to a fresh copy as if you just bought this phone from Apple. However, the key thing is that you've just backed up all of your data. So this will install a fresh, new, clean copy of iOS 16 on your iPhone. And then you just go through the steps of logging into your Apple ID again and restoring your phone back to that backup that you just did. So what this does is it helps remove any of those glitches or bugs in iOS 16. Another thing that you can do is let's just go back out of here. I think they just have, let's go to software update. And you can see here is a update 16.0.2. And on here it says, this update provides bug fixes and important security measures. So go ahead and hit the download and install to see if maybe Apple just fixed some of those bugs in this software update itself and you don't have to go through the whole steps of wiping your phone and then reinstalling that backup that you just did. Hope this helps. Thanks for your time today and I'll see you on the next one.